For the easy installation of the pig, already I have uploaded pig program in which I have made some changes in batch file, but easiest way to install pig is shown in this video. Just check it, and half of just installation part I will be showing in this video. Rest of the part you can continue through the previous video of lab 6. I am just showing the downloading part. Go through Apache Pig website from their new release, Pig version 0.17.0. just tar file, download it, 220 MB. Let it download. Let's wait, it will start downloading now. Okay, downloading started. It is 220 MB. Just completed downloading. Till the time I'm just checking the previous pig files. If there are existing, then I will just delete it. If pig folder is not there, then let's check for environment variables also, because previously I have already executed. So I am just deleting that previously created environment variable path. Just delete. In system variables also, pig home, delete. In paths, let's check for pig. Okay, it is there is nothing to delete. Okay. Till the time being our download is completed, just open into a folder, open with WinRAR, okay. Now just extract to, I am just choosing extract to C drive. Okay, it will extract all the files in C drive with folder name as pig-0.17.0. Let's check in C drive. Pig 0.17.0. I am just renaming it as pig. Okay, enter. Just copy bin path, Control C, or you can just copy it by clicking right click. Then environment variables. In start menu, search for environment variables, open environment variables under system variables, create new as pig_home, paste the path below, make sure not to paste the bin, then just go navigate to paths, new, there paste till the bin, then okay, refresh your system. Now just in pig bin folder we have Windows pig.cmd file, but it is not opening. So just I am going to open it in Notepad. We need to edit there one of the path, just one simple path. So pig bin, right click, edit in Notepad. You can open with Notepad, then just scroll it. We need to just edit this bin path. Set Hadoop bin. Let's check our path in C drive, Hadoop. Under Hadoop we have libexec folder. Just we need to edit that. Copy that and just edit in place of bin. Replace bin with libexec. Control S for saving, or else just click on file, then save it. Make sure the spelling must be same, then save it. Close window, open, refresh again, and then open new command prompt, run as administrator. Now just check pig space hyphen hyphen version. Is our pig installed or not? For that, yes, pig 0.17.0 version is installed. Then just see a pig cd slash cd pig cd bin, entering into the pig's bin directory. Then just type pig. It will start the pig grunt shell. Here you can start the programming commands using pig commands, which I have already covered in the previous video of BDA Lab 6. So I'm just exiting this now. Quit. Okay, you can also run this pig on local. So just I am exiting this command prompt, then again opening new command prompt, opening as run as administrator. Here pig space hyphen x space local. This will run the pig grunt shell on local. See, grunt shell is running. Now you can start your execution. Further steps you can continue from the previous video. Thank you for watching.